Hey friends, if you wish to clear the printer queue or spooler service on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now, here's one thing. Right click on the start button, select settings, go to the Bluetooth and devices tab, select printers and scanners here, and if you see anything printing then you can cancel it. But a lot of times, rather most of the times, it still gets stuck. Your system hangs or something, but it doesn't clear the print queue. So here's a ninja technique that you can use. Simply search for the word services in the Windows search bar and open services. Okay, and then scroll down to the print spooler service. Okay, and then right click on the print spooler service and then select restart. That's it. When it restarts the print spooler service, it will clear the previous jobs and you will have to create the jobs again. So this is how you can clear the printer queue and spooler and everything. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.